Thank you, brothers and sisters, for your service to Jehovah God. It is a privilege to be able to assist you in the preparation of your 2024 tax return. Here is the engagement letter for the 2024 tax year. If you already signed one, I appreciate that, but it was actually for 2023. So please re-sign this new letter that I am submitting to you. Please complete the organizer. I ask that you also please download the TaxDome app to your mobile device. You can log into your TaxDome account and then use the app to scan your documents into the PDF format, which is the preferred format for us here for you to please be uploading your documents instead of taking pictures. So again, please use the TaxDome app to scan and submit your documents. Again, we appreciate your assistance and we'll look forward to helping you through this year. And please contact us with any questions. You can contact me or Leslie, who is new and full-time and a regular pioneer as well. And so we'll appreciate the opportunity, as well as you can also speak to Jordan. So we appreciate all the efforts you make and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.